Hey guys, welcome back. I have had these twists for a month now, and although I could let these ride a little longer, I was itching to have my curly hair back. So I'm gonna go ahead, take these twists out, show you how I get that process, cleanse my hair, and get back to my curly hair. So let's get into it. So first I'm just gonna take a chunk and cut right below where my real hair is, so that way I'm not twisting or untwisting from the bottom to the top. That's unnecessary. Just find where your real hair is, cut it out. Then, because these are twists, they're super easy to take out. You just literally untwist them. The easiest process. And my whole head probably takes me about a half an hour at the most. So here is the little back section done. I wish these weren't dirty because I low-key want to wear whatever this is, but they're dirty, so it's time for a wash. Let's continue taking the rest out. So here I have another little section. I'm gonna cut again right below where my real hair ends, and just be kind of careful. I can kind of see where my hair is starting to stick out of the twists, so it makes it a little bit easier for me. But if you don't know where your real hair ends, maybe try taking one out just to kind of gauge the situation. But yeah, just repeating this process. I don't know what my cat is eating in the background. What is he doing? And then here you can see I have this whole other little section out as well. And here's Lenny because he never fails to make the video. Okay, so at this point we have our last one and everything is out. I feel free. And like I said, I low-key want to wear whatever this is. I don't know what this is called, but it's so dirty. It has to go. Has to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair and I'll show you how I'm gonna shampoo. So now that my hair is wet, I am going to start shampooing my hair, and the one I'm using is from Oribe. It's the Gold Loss Repair and Restore. And I like this one. It's sulfate free, smells really great. Super moisturizing, and I feel like I can detangle my hair with this shampoo in, but at the same time, it gives me an excellent cleanse. Like, this is a real shampoo, but just without the sulfates. So I always use this after I take out any protective style, or if I want a really nice, thorough shampooing cleanse. This one is my favorite shampoo, and I have not yet tried a shampoo that I love more than this. So just massaging into my scalp and then dragging down to my ends, and then you'll see me kind of start combing through my hair. This will basically help me to loosen up any tangles and just get all the debris and everything from my scalp to the ends, and then down the sink once I rinse everything out. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse everything out, and then I will be back to do the deep condition. So I'm taking this deep conditioner. It's from Camille Rose. It's the cholesterol treatment, the Buriti Nectar treatment. And here's Lenny just relaxing. I'm basically just going to apply this to my damp hair. And I like to do this in sections. I love to do everything in sections. It just keeps me organized, and then I make sure that I have the right amount of product per section. Sometimes if you kind of just slather things on, you start missing spots. So I always like to do my conditioner in sections, and then I can also detangle in sections too. It makes everything a lot easier. So I'm going to concentrate a lot of this cholesterol treatment on my hairline. I want to make sure that it's thoroughly hydrated. Definitely also going to concentrate this on the ends, because the hairline is very fragile and it's had to go through a lot of tugging with the twists. And then of course the ends are always the driest part of my hair. So making sure to concentrate on these parts, but definitely applying the conditioner all over and then tucking that away into a little bun so that way it can sit and soak and do its thing. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this through all the sections. I can't believe how long my hair is now and that it's growing so much. This is wild to me because my hair, I feel like, has never really been this length, curly. Like, my hair used to be long when it was straight, but curly, I think this is the longest it's ever been. So I'm just gotta indulging in it a little bit. And then also applying a generous amount to the nape area because that hair is very fragile as well, super fine and a lot looser than the rest of my hair. So I just want to make sure that it gets a little extra love. And then into a bun it goes. And then here we have the last section and tucking that away. And then here you can see me applying more conditioner to my hairline. Super important. You want to make sure that your edges are thriving, especially because that part of my hair is very fine. I think everybody's hairline is very fine. So make sure to give that a little extra love. So now I'm gonna take a shower cap and put that on. It's gonna help to trap in the heat so that way my scalp and the rest of my hair is getting a really nice heat treatment. And then I'm gonna take a towel. This one is from Strivectin. It's like a microfiber towel. I love these towels. I have 2 of them. I love them. And I'm gonna apply that over the shower cap. It's gonna really help my scalp to generate some extra heat. And also I like this method because then I can sleep like this and I'm not gonna get it on my pillowcase, and I can pretty much just kind of go about my day doing my thing with the cap on. So this is gonna be me until tomorrow. So this is the amount of hair that I lost. Impressive, very impressive. So now it's the next day and it's time for me to style my hair. So I've rinsed out the conditioner. My hair's super, super soft. It feels great and very healthy. So I'm gonna section off the back. Like I said, sections make life so much easier. And then I'm gonna go ahead and clip that away. And I'm taking some of this leave-in conditioner from Mielle. It's the pomegranate and honey. I love this stuff. It cocktails really well with the next product that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna apply this leave-in all over the strands, root to tip, and this is a really, really great one for softening, for detangling, and it doesn't leave any residue and it doesn't flake. So I love this one. I got it from Sally's. And then once I have the back section done, then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my next product. So first, I'm gonna get a small section in the back, tuck that away, and then I'm gonna apply this Coil Sculpting Custard, and this is also from Mielle. It works perfectly with the leave-in conditioner. It has a really great consistency, and it smells great. Only thing I will say is that just be not so generous. Use this sparingly. That's what I mean to say. Use this product sparingly. So I'm basically kind of raking it through my hair, making sure that I'm not adding too much product because this weighs my hair down and it gives me kind of like a sticky feeling to my fingers when my hair is dry. So to eliminate that, I make sure that I use it very sparingly, and that's even better because then it makes the product last a lot longer and I still get really great results. So go ahead and apply this, rake this through root to end, and just keep going around the head in small sections. Makes it a lot easier to work through. And if you want to use the minimal amount of product, you just want to make sure that your hair is on the more wet side. When your hair is a little bit dry, then you tend to want to use more product to moisturize it. So if you spritz with some water, add the product, you'll end up using a lot less. And then here's the back because I really like texture shots when I'm watching these kinds of videos. So just wanted to kind of show you guys what the back is looking like. But I cannot believe my freaking hair is getting so long. I mean, it's like medium length, but still like, wow. Then we can move on to the top, and it's basically just repeating the same steps, not doing anything different here. So So here is the last section I'm gonna do on this side because I'm gonna go for a side part. So you can kind of see what this is looking like texturally. And then I can start working on the other side again, near the part. You can see here with the color made my ends a little bit thin, so I have to grow that out, but whatever, it's all good. It's experimentation, I guess. And then here is everything applied, product applied. This is the kind of style I'm going for. So let's start to blow drying, and I usually typically like to blow dry. I'll start kind of going a little wild at the roots so I can start drying the roots, and then I'll start pulling and stretching so that way I can eliminate some of that shrinkage that I'm gonna get. As you see here, just kind of gently tugging at the ends and then blowing at the root to really get the most stretch that I can get. You can do this on a medium heat, you can do this on a high heat. For me, I think it typically works either way. High heat just kind of works a little faster, but if you want to be safe, use a medium heat and you'll still get the same result. So here is my hair about 97% dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this Nectar Repair hair oil. This is from Camille Rose. And applying oil to your scalp is extremely important. It has a lot of vitamins in the oil that your scalp needs. Your scalp needs to stay really nicely moisturized, and I love giving my scalp a nice massage. I think it helps to stimulate growth as well. So making sure to never skip that step. And this is the final result. This is what my hair looks like. Oh my God, loves it. I definitely need a curly cut, but we'll figure that out later. That's for another day. As for now, I'm loving this, I guess, wash and set. I'm gonna stop calling them wash and goes. This is a wash and set. So I'm loving the results. Let me know what you think down below. Here is a detailed shot so you can see my texture up close, but I love it. Let me know what you think down below. I love you all, and I will catch you guys next time.